This is day 3 in Greece, and I am trying Greek coffee for the first time, which I'm assuming is going to be relatively similar to Turkish coffee, and hopefully I'm not going to burn myself. Get some energy before we go in the water. Good, it's very good, strong, tasty, exactly the energy I need. It comes like an espresso concentrated. We have beach inflatables, we have water, so we're gonna go and swim for a bit. Beaches here in Europe, it's very common to have like a beach bar type of place, and we rent some beach chairs, umbrellas. It makes for a more comfortable experience. And now I'm going to go into the water with my mom. We're gonna try to get her on it and float, and I'm gonna swim next to her. The water is super clear. That's what I love about Greek beaches. Water is crystal clear. Perfect for swimming. Hello, Mr. Llama.
Trebuie să ne ducem unde e puțin mai adâncă, că aici sunt foarte multe bucățele de plastic.
Lots of water sports here. There's also paragliding, which I think is madness. There's too much trust to put in some strangers. They also have boats, and we might get on one of them in the next few days. I'm trying to get her to the water deeper. We hope it wasn't a jellyfish. I know, Parga. My sister's riding a llama, but she keeps falling off. And Dad's doing it. That's someone there is doing paragliding. Îmi dai ochelarii, te rog, tati? Ia, vreau și eu să văd. Hai, mersi. Safari! A mermaid spotted in the wild. Okay, so let's get ready for adventure. I'm really tired because I have to tread water. Okay. Easy, don't tilt her because she has the camera.
Now, I don't know if I could get up on it. We're drifting quite.
Yeah. Thank you. I just need to go to the shore a little bit. I'm really tired.
Do you want to take your camera with you?
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll come back. I just need to rest.
Okay, rest them.
My sister's filming me. Thumbs up for my sister. Give this video a like if you think she's doing a good job. Leave a comment with feedback if you think she's not doing a great job, so she can get better.